We're doing a custom cable.
Starts up there.
It starts up here. It goes.
Just way down. Episode of Walker's blowing it.
Comes out the bottom. We had to put two nuts over here because Domi didn't put two nuts so you can adjust it and have it stay adjusted. So how much extra cable we got over here?
About a 1/2 inch.
See that black line down there?
That's where we're gonna weld it to.
That's where we're gonna cut it.
Okay.
We don't need to have that much hanging out down there. Unless you want to have it hanging out.
No. I like hanging out, but I don't like that hanging out.
Okay. So now, where's your flake at here? There. Where's your piece?
What piece?
Exactly.
Brass piece?
Right there.
Yeah.
Right
you
there,
put
you
it?
got it.
It's right here.
Where'd you hide it?
I hid it in there because I knew that would be exactly what you would do.
Where would hide it?
Qué la chingada.
Hey, can you kick that over there?
We gonna do soldering on there? Braise it?
We're gonna do something to make it go stay. I'm thinking about making a bigger chamfer on that. Why don't you put that? Well, actually, our lathe won't hold that, will it? Too small.
Let's put the heads on.
Put the head on it.
He's on this motor.
Put the heads on the motor. That'll make it work. All right. We need some solder.
All right.
You want to try silver soldering it, or just solder it?
Whatever's the best.
It's more like whatever will stick.
What will stick?
The silver solder.
Silver solder.
Want to try silver soldering?
Yeah, let's do it.
JB, I hear that works good.
Yee-hoo!
It ain't no motorcycle. I don't have JB weld. We're just
Yeah.
gonna keep it.
Dude, I bet we could duct tape it for sure.
Duct tape, that's
Yeah.
the answer.
So after this, all right, let's go follow him.
You know, it's just like just back here a little while ago.
Yeah.
I'm over here at the same spot.
Holy moly.
How'd that happen? Who's gonna cut this?
Whoever wants to.
Whoever wants to.
You're gonna use that?
Yep.
No, it's just for Walker with that. It's just a break.
I know, it's only a break. It doesn't really important.
Only a front brake.
We know it doesn't matter now. So how are we gonna hold this? Is that gonna hold it?
Yep. That's what I did last time.
Did it work?
Yeah.
We're good.
It worked beautifully.
Qué la chingada.
Something happened.
Doesn't work very well. What did you do? Did you break my grinder?
Yep.
Oh, where'd that come from? Ooh, look at that. What happened to everything?
Still there.
Still there? Think so. Where's my mark?
Right there.
Right there?
Oh, you passed it. There you go.
Right there?
Yep.
Is that the right stuff?
It's not lead. It's not pure. This one's got more tin in it.
You got what?
60-40 Rhino.
Worked very well.
You want your oxyacetylene for it?
Yeah. Try doing it cold, we'll do it hot. What we're gonna do is we're gonna mat that out, make a ball out of it, and then we put the solder on the solder going to the ball. So even though the solder is weak, you can't pull a ball out through a certain hole if it's got a big ball of hot as shit on top.
Nice.
Yeah, we need a solder. that dead air time going?
Brilliant. I'm gonna stand over here.
Got your cat in the corner. Are they both on?
Ooh. Ooh.
Can you turn on the auction there, boss? Ooh, it looks a lot better when the auction is working.
Damn, look at that. Make and break cables. It's what we do.
What do you see?
A ball.
A big wad of crap.
Big wad of garbage.
Alright. What's this stuff?
It's goop.
It's hot goop.
Woo.
Is that hot?
Probably.
It's not that hot.
What does that stuff do?
Snagglepuss.
Oh. Makes sense.
It's called flux. You know what flux does?
Helps the metal stick.
Ooh. Looks like primer. Now, easy stuff doesn't want to stick to cables, so that's where we're going to use the solder. Probably got too much heat.
Ooh.
Unless you put the airline right in front of it.
Yeah.
Put the airline on fire.
Here we go. Try pulling that cable.
How far do you want me to pull it?
Do it on both sides.
You mean like over there?
Yeah.
It's already over there. Where's your finger at?
No thanks.
Just like a lead fucking soldering stick. Oh, it looks hot, doesn't it? That's an OSHA approved high temp fingertip.
OSHA.
See the solder wicking its way through the cable? So you know it's all the way in there. Where's that water used to be over here?
I don't know. Evaporation. You solve it.
Seems to be a little light.
Get this.
Well, 10 years ago, it still works. Air cooled.
Here. I didn't want to fill it up. I don't want to waste
I already did it. It goes over that water deposit, Mark is.
Here, I'll put it right back in there. Look at,
So there's your wad of crap.
look at that.
Now, there used to be more solder on this side until someone melted it all out. They probably hit it with that fat acid finger they were using. So we're going to do a little better job. You dropped the torch in the floor. Was that you?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Pop.
Pop goes the weasel. What's this?
Can you not point that at me? It's like right.
What?
Get out of here, man.
What's the problem? It's only a little heat. here don't want to stick to that, does it?
It's fluxed.
Here, hold that. Don't point it in your face. That's hot.
What are you guys doing back here?
Snorting.
Snorting flames.
Cooking meth.
Oh man.
There you go. Look at that nice fine soldering job there.
All this for that damn brake cable?
All
Yep.
that for that damn brake cable.
Custom as fuck.
Look at that. Now you got that big wadded up crap mess on the end there.
Cool, and it won't come off.
Now you just gotta grind it right off.
Yeah.
Hold that on there.
I was gonna hold it, but then you would have said don't hold it, so didn't hold it. I know you too well already.
This fire reminds me of the great fire of 2016, when the oven exploded over there and shot across the whole
never
shop.
forget.
Never forget.
Okay, here, I'll trade you.
There we go. All right, let's go check it out. The Great Fire of 2016. The boxes still have
the
wear.
evidence.
Yeah.
All this debris, burned debris down there.
We'll pour. Make sure you pour out a little bit of your 40 when you know.
Yeah, you gotta pour it out. So let's go see if this thing works.